The two schools for tonight's show. Wolmer's Boys from Kingston up against Jamaica College from St Andrew. This is the 56th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Wolmer's Boys is represented by TVJ Williams, Jordan Reed, Tyler Davis, and Cameron Campbell. Jamaica College is represented by Jaheem Khoury, Mason J. Edwards, Jamarli Banton, and Marvin White. Hello everyone, welcome to the second match in this quarter-final series. Jamaica College won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead in the series, and another win tonight will send them into the semi-finals. But if Wolmer's Boys wins tonight, the series will be locked at 1-1 and poised for a scintillating deciding match. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarter-finalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? This is the opening challenge, and in the section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Wolmer's Boys won. They decided to go first. And so we begin with Wolmer's Boys. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Wolmer's Boys, we begin with biology. What is the name for a mature haploid male or female germ cell that is able to unite with a cell of the opposite sex to form a zygote?
Gamete.
Correct. Biology for Jamaica College. What is the name for the enzyme that creates the energy storage molecule adenosine triphosphate?
ATP synthase.
Correct. International affairs for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Guinea-Bissau.
Correct. International affairs for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Niger.
Correct. English language. Spell puncture.
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 Correct. English language. Jamaica College. Spell esoteric.
Esoteric. ESOTERIC.
Correct. Physics for Wolmer's Boys. The velocity of a truck changes from 3 meters per second to 5 meters per second in 5 seconds. What is the acceleration?
0.4 meters per second squared.
Acceleration. Yes. 0.4 meters per second squared.
Correct. Physics for Jamaica College. What is the frequency of a note that is 1 octave higher than a note of 1024 hertz?
Times it by 2. 2048.
2048
hertz.
Correct. Music for Wolmer's Boys. Listen to this clip. Identify the group.
And everybody having a ball.
Bahaman.
Correct. Music for Jamaica College. Listen to this clip. Identify the group.
The boys they fake it so when they all want me, they can't have me.
Los El Rio.
Correct. Spanish for Wolmer's Boys. What is the English translation of El funeral será el mediodía del miércoles?
The sun was overhead at midday on Wednesday.
No, the funeral will be at noon on Wednesday. Spanish for Jamaica College. What is the English translation for Era la 1:15 de la madrugada?
La 1:15 de la madrugada.
1:15.
So, I woke up at 1:15.
I woke up at 1:15.
No, it was 1:15 in the morning. Wolmer's Boys, Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
That look like Gene Hackman.
Incorrect. Jeffrey Rush. Theatre and Cinema, Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
You? What's that? All right. John Williams. John Williams. John Williams!
Incorrect. Orlando Bloom. Information technology for Wolmer's boys. Who is credited with the invention of the primary data communication protocols of the Internet?
Internet.
Who invented the internet?
Tim Berners-Lee.
Tim Berners-Lee!
Incorrect. Vinton Cerf and Robert E. Kahn. Information technology for Jamaica College. Who is widely accepted as the person to send the first HTTP communication between client and server?
Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee!
Correct. Sports for Wolmer's boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Yeah, Italian football.
Sam Kerr.
Incorrect. Monsey Tome. And Jamaica College, your sports question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Emma Hayes, that? All right, Serena. Emma Hayes. Emma Hayes!
Correct. Literature. That's it. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Wolmer's boys on 5, Jamaica College on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Quarter-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns after these messages.